In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if you are still receiving calls from another people, even if you are on Do Not Disturb mode. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. After that, we need to tap at Focus and then select Do Not Disturb. Then tap right here where it says People. As you can see, here at the very top, Allow Notifications from option is selected, and down below we can find exceptions list of users who are able to call me even if I am on Do Not Disturb mode. So these users are the exceptions from Do Not Disturb. And if you want to stop getting calls from a particular user, you need to tap at this minus sign to remove it from that list. If you want, you can easily remove all the users from here. And basically that's how we can get it fixed. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.